So here we go with another Let's Go production. We got a little small problem. We got a butterfly screw in there for our outlet. So once again, custom make it. We'll go ahead and put a hole in here into the actual box itself. Bam. So that way that will still be able to be fed up into there. So give us a call, 682-239-1470. Well, let's go. Let's go. Alright. Got the hole made. Go ahead and see if we can fit it up in here. Bam. And it fits right up in there. Let's go. Call 682-239-1470. Well, let's go. Remember, I am the plug, you are the man. Well, let's go. Let go.